Welcome to Blender tutorial. Today we will make a simple fire tornado. Press SQ to scale the cube. Then go to Object and go to Quick Effects. You will find Quick Smoke. Click and play. You can see only smoke, but we need fire, so go to Physics tab and change smoke to fire. Don't forget to select the cube. Now play again. You will see smoke. If you have a low-end PC like me, it might hang, so wait. This is a simple fire simulation, but we are making a fire tornado. Now press Shift-A to insert a vortex. Go to Force Field and you will find Vortex. Now in the Physics tab, increase the strength. Your simple and easy fire tornado is ready. Change the settings of the vortex according to your requirement. Thanks for watching.